Welcome to this guided session on body scan meditation, a powerful and deeply relaxing practice that helps you reconnect with your body, reduce physical stress, and calm your mind. If you're new to meditation, or if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to manage tension, anxiety, or restlessness, this session is perfect for you. Let's begin by understanding what body scan meditation truly is. Body scan meditation is a mindfulness practice that involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe. In this process, you bring gentle, non-judgmental attention to different parts of your body, looking for any areas of tension, discomfort, or even pain. But it's not just about finding physical tightness. It's about learning to observe your body with curiosity and compassion. Often, we carry stress or emotional strain in our body without even realizing it. This meditation helps us to become aware of those sensations, and slowly, through our breath and awareness, we learn to release them. Let's take a moment to experience a short guided body scan together. You can do this sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or lying down on a mat, bed, or yoga mat. Whatever is most comfortable for you. Close your eyes gently, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow your body to settle. Let go of the day so far, and bring your attention to the present moment. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensation there, warmth, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. That's okay. Move your awareness slowly to your forehead. Is there tension? Are your eyebrows tight? If so, gently soften them. Now, bring awareness to your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let your jaw relax. Let it hang gently. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. These areas often hold a lot of stress. Notice how they feel, and with each breath, invite them to soften. Continue scanning your body, chest, belly, back, arms, hands, hips, thighs, knees, legs, feet, toes. Take your time. Notice each part. Breathe into any tension and imagine the breath melting it away. By practicing this type of deep listening to your body, you're telling yourself, I see you, I hear you, I care. The effects of body scan meditation go beyond simple relaxation. Over time, it helps reduce chronic pain, improve sleep quality, lower anxiety and stress levels, and increase your sense of body awareness and self-compassion. It's a form of healing, a way to ground yourself, and a tool you can use anytime, before sleep, after a stressful day, or even during work breaks. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Remember, even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more meditative practices and guided mindfulness sessions. Leave a comment below and tell us, how did your body feel during the scan? Where did you notice the most tension? Until next time, take care of your body, your breath, and your mind.